Leetcode weekly context 493. Question number 1. Count commas in range. This is an easy problem. Actually, this problem is quite easy because the range is quite small, 10 to the power of 5, which give us only one option, which means it makes this question quite simple. So the way we are taking care of this question is check these numbers 1, say 1, 2, and 11, 77, or 999. There's no commas, 0. So any number that less than 1000, there are 0 commas. We only count a number greater or equal than 1000. And the good thing is this is small range, 10 to the power of 5. That means there gonna be only one comma in each number. So the number of the total number that is greater than 1000 will be equal to the number of commas. That is the solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.